Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 11 OSINT tools of 2024. These tools are essential for anyone interested in open source intelligence, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. So, if you're ready to unlock a new level of knowledge and explore the fascinating world of OSINT, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. First up, we have Maltego, a powerful tool designed for link analysis and data mining. It's a beast when it comes to uncovering hidden connections within vast amounts of data. Imagine piecing together a complex puzzle where the pieces are IP addresses, email addresses, and social media profiles. Maltego excels at visualizing these intricate connections, turning chaos into a comprehensible map. It sifts through massive datasets, extracting valuable insights and presenting them in an intuitive graph format. Law enforcement agencies, cybersecurity professionals, and anyone dealing with complex data landscapes rely heavily on Maltego. And the best part? Maltego offers a free community edition, allowing you to explore its capabilities without any cost. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Maltego's user-friendly interface and extensive training resources make it accessible to everyone. Dive into real-time data analysis and collaborate with experts worldwide. Maltego is not just a tool, it's a community. Hear from users who have successfully leveraged Maltego to solve complex cybersecurity challenges and uncover critical insights. Ready to unveil the web of connections? Download Maltego today and start your journey into the world of advanced data analysis. Next up is Shodan, the champion of internet-connected device discovery. Shodan is a search engine that scours the internet for devices that are connected to it. Think of it as Google for devices, webcams, smart refrigerators, and even smart home systems. It can find anything that is connected to the internet and has an IP address. Shodan can also locate industrial control systems, power grids, and other critical infrastructure. This makes it a powerful tool for understanding the vast network of devices that keep our world running. Shodan reveals the devices that power our world and their often shocking lack of security. Many of these devices are not properly secured, making them vulnerable to attacks. It's incredibly powerful for security researchers, businesses, and IT professionals who need to understand the security landscape. They use Shodan to identify vulnerabilities and protect their networks, or anyone curious about the Internet of Things. Shodan provides a unique insight into the world of connected devices, showing just how interconnected our lives have become. But remember, use Shodan ethically and legally. It's a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Just because you can find something doesn't mean you should access it without permission. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical, and it can have serious consequences. Now, this one is essential for any aspiring OSINT pro. Spiderfoot automates the tedious process of open-source intelligence gathering. Give Spiderfoot a target, and it scours over 100 different data sources to gather intelligence. It presents all this information in a clean, organized dashboard, making it easy to analyze. Spiderfoot is an indispensable tool that will save you countless hours of manual labor. Chapter 4. Reconnaissance, your web reconnaissance arsenal. Reconnaissance is a powerful framework for web reconnaissance, built by TrustSec. It comes packed with modules for discovering subdomains, identifying web technologies, and more. The beauty of Reconnaissance is its modularity. Customize it to fit your specific needs. Whether you're a penetration tester, security analyst, or just curious, Reconnaissance is essential. And did I mention it's completely free and open source? Chapter 5. The Harvester. Reaping Information Gold. The harvester gathers valuable nuggets of data like email addresses, subdomains, and more. It scours public sources like search engines, PGP key servers, and Shodan. The harvester is incredibly easy to use and consistently delivers results. Whether you're a penetration tester, security researcher, or recruiter, the harvester is invaluable. Plus, it's free and open source, so you can start using it right away. Chapter 6. Census, the Internet's Mapmaker. In the vast digital landscape, Census stands out as a beacon of clarity and insight. Census offers a constantly updated map of the entire Internet. It provides a comprehensive view of the digital world, capturing the intricate web of connections that make up our online environment. It scans the entire IPv4 address space, collecting data on every device it encounters. This process is continuous, ensuring that the information is always current and reliable. This wealth of information makes Census invaluable for security researchers, businesses, and law enforcement. They rely on Census to identify vulnerabilities, track malicious activities, and ensure the safety of their networks. If you need to know anything about a particular device or server on the Internet, Census is your go-to tool. It provides detailed insights that are crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of digital infrastructures. It's like having X-ray vision for the Internet. You can see through the layers of complexity and understand the underlying structures and connections. Census is on another level. Its advanced technology and comprehensive data analysis capabilities set it apart, making it an essential tool for anyone navigating the digital world. Chapter 7. FOCA. The Metadata Miner. FOCA uncovers hidden gems buried within documents by extracting metadata. Metadata can include information like the author, software used, and creation date. FOCA automates the process of extracting metadata from various document formats. This information can be valuable for verifying document authenticity or tracking down sources. FOCA is a must-have tool for journalists, researchers, and security professionals. Chapter 8. Metagoofil. Unmasking Documents. Metagoofil hunts down and extracts metadata from publicly available documents online. It crawls websites, downloads documents, and extracts valuable metadata. This information can be useful for building a profile of a target organization or identifying vulnerabilities. Metagoofil is a powerful tool for penetration testers and security researchers. Chapter 9. OSINT Framework. Your one-stop shop. The OSINT Framework is a curated collection of various OSINT resources, tools, and techniques. It's organized in a clean and easy-to-navigate website. Whether you're looking for a specific tool or a tutorial on advanced OSINT techniques, the OSINT Framework has got you covered. It's an invaluable resource for anyone involved in OSINT. Chapter 10. Google Dorking. The Art of Precision Searching. Google Dorking is the art of using advanced search operators to uncover hidden information. It's like speaking Google's language fluently to refine your searches. Want to find all the PDFs hosted on a specific website? Google Dorking can do that. It's a powerful technique for competitive intelligence and vulnerability research. Google Dorking is a skill that can significantly enhance your OSINT capabilities. Chapter 11. Social Engineer Toolkit. SET. Mastering the Human Element. SET is a framework for creating sophisticated social engineering attacks. Developed by David Kennedy, SET focuses on exploiting the human element in security systems. It allows you to create phishing attacks, fake websites, and more. SET should only be used for ethical hacking and security testing purposes. Remember, social engineering attacks can have serious consequences. Outro. Level up your OSINT game. And there you have it. the top 11 OSINT tools of 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you all in the next video.